so as you can probably tell, I'm sick right now. So I'm gonna crochet. If I'm sick, it means I have to crochet. I just have to. I need to find a pattern though. I know I want to make like a shellfish bag thing. Oh, my posture. This is the vision. But this is what the width of the bag is currently looking like. Round 3 done. You can start to kind of see the shellfish like outline. I changed, as you can see. I'm literally sweating right now. Like the window is open and like my room isn't even that hot. I literally have a cold sweat right now. Maybe it's because I'm sick. Bag is a lot wider than I wanted it. Bruh. But I'm gonna do some experimenting for now. Like this could be a skirt. This could be a skirt. Like this maybe. It's a little wonky, but whatever. At this point, I'm like, I just want to go to sleep. Whatever. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just